Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change aspect ratio after creating an image in Midjourney. So to create an aspect ratio, here's a quick step you need to follow. So the first thing to do is to enable the remix mode in the Midjourney Discord server. Then type /settings in the chat and press enter. So in the settings menu, enable the remix mode, and this will allow you to modify prompt when creating variation. So after that, locate the image and find the image you want to adjust in the Discord chat. Then create a variation, which could be on V1 v2 v3 before. Just click on the V1 v2 v3 before button under the image to create variation. And since remix mode is enabled, you will be prompted to edit the original prompt. After that, adjust the aspect ratio. So in the prompt editor, add the parameter which is a AR parameter followed by the desired aspect ratio. For example, you can simply use AR 16:9. Then submit the updated prompt. The Midjourney will generate new variation with the specific aspect ratio using the result and upscale or refine as needed.